Hey hippies, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So I just got done with this makeup look using the Kylie Cosmetics Under the Sea collection, and I just wanted to share with you guys not really my first impressions because I got this package in the mail like a couple days ago and I could not wait to use it. So I used two of the items out of the collection because I just had to. I had to use this lip color because it is just bomb.com. And I used the Shimmering Eye Glaze because this product just really intrigued me and it did not disappoint. I will include a little clip of a video that I made that day of the glow because the glow was unreal. So it's not really a first impressions, but just me using these products, doing a makeup tutorial, and showing you guys along the way how I created this bomb-ass look because I am feeling it. So let's just get into it. So I did pick up the pressed powdered eyeshadow palette, and this comes with 12 shades. The palette is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Online it looked huge, but you can see compared to my face, it's pretty little. These colors are just total summer mermaid vibes, and that is right up my alley. If you guys are new to my channel, I am a mermaid, so you know I had to get this eyeshadow palette. These colors just were calling my name. I've purchased Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes in the past. Some I really wasn't a fan of, but this palette I really enjoyed using. There was quite a bit of fallout on the matte shades, not on my face, but in the palette, and I filmed a little clip on my iPhone just to show you guys the fallout, which it doesn't really bug me because, like I said, it didn't fall out on my face, but I feel like a lot of product does get wasted when you dip your brush into the pan and a lot falls out because you pretty much just blow that away and you've lost out on that eyeshadow. That's just like my theory. So to create this look, I used Sure About You, Welcome Abroad, My Treasure, Abandoned Ship, and Seashell Kisses. Seashell Kisses is such an interesting eyeshadow formula. It really reminds me of the Shimmering Eye Glaze. I don't know if it's the same formula or not, and it's so weird. I used my finger to apply it and it just kind of like sinks into the pan, almost like butter. It's just really cool, and I almost just want to like stick my finger all the way in it, but I'm not going to because that's gonna ruin it, but I really want to. And on top of that shadow, I put the Shimmering Eye Glaze just to make it really pop. And I wore this alone the other day and it is so pretty on its own. It kind of took me a second to figure out how to use it. I know that might sound weird, but it's just like really hard to explain. It's just like a pressed pigment almost. And then I like dip my finger in it like I normally would with any shimmer shades, and it wasn't really getting on my finger. I was like, what the heck? So I scraped it with my nail, got it on my nail, put it on my eye, and kind of just smeared it on because it's kind of chunky. There was a few times where I scraped it onto my finger, went to go put it on my eye, and that big old chunk just fell off. So I don't really think I've mastered how to use this yet, but I really, really like it just on its own or just on top of another shimmer eyeshadow. It just makes it almost look like wet. From the collection, I got two lip products. I got the Paradise Please matte lipstick. This was my first time ever trying a Kylie Cosmetics lipstick, and I actually really liked it. To me though, it's not really a matte lipstick. It's like really comfortable on the lips for a matte lipstick. It's not like super matte and drying like a matte liquid lipstick. I feel like it's super comfortable, and this color is just so pretty. Like, are you kidding me? This peach shade, everything, just everything. And I was so excited to get this, but the only thing is that the whole side of it is just cracked. And you know all that Jaclyn Hill fiasco with her lipstick, so I was like, oh hell no. But I really inspected the lipstick. There was no weird anythings. It was just the packaging is split in half. So that kind of sucks. I almost want to return it, but at the same time too, I've already used it. so it doesn't really bother me. The packaging is super cute. Oh, I've only used it a couple times, but literally the Kylie Jenner imprint on the bottom of it is totally coming off. Like if I rubbed it, it's coming off. So the color and the formula of this lipstick, I can look past this janky ass packaging, but the color is really cute, right? And then I had to pick up this new lip blush formula that she came out with in Bikini Bot. I actually haven't even used it, and I'm kind of sad I didn't film it on camera and use it. Okay, so it's a lot different of a consistency than what I'm used to from her lip products. I'm sad I didn't use it. I will use this in another video and make sure to give my opinion on it, so be on the lookout for that. But I really like this color and I'm excited to see how the formulation is. I'm just like a makeup junkie, so I had to buy it, you know, because eventually I'll try it, so that is everything that I got from the Kylie Cosmetics Under the Sea collection. I know there was just a lot more that came out, but these are the things that really caught my eye and that I wanted to try. I'm really enjoying everything from this collection. Sorry I didn't use the lip blush, don't come at me. Okay. But everything that I did try, the palette, the lipstick, and the eye glaze, I am obsessed with. The eyeshadows blended out really nicely, really pretty easily actually. I'm really impressed with the eyeshadow palette, so if you were interested in it, I would definitely recommend it. There's plenty of neutral shades to create just like an everyday eyeshadow look, and then you can add some pops of color or just go really crazy and go off with the colors. This purple over here, so pretty. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
I always get sweaty right above my lip,